recording.
Sorry, sorry.
Hindi kasi yung Black Rosary nasa bahay din yan. Kaya sa amin yung Black Rosary ng FFKO. Yeah. O sige, ako naman in behalf of the CFC community, in recognition for your unwavering, kung pwede ng wrestling, undisputed.
Ito yung mabigat.
No, you're looking for your service naman, no? Yung talagang spirit of servanthood. I'm sure wala ako kanina, pero I'm sure one yung gusto ko sabihin, nasabi niyo na. No? Or nasabi na sa ano. Mamimiss namin si Brad Joel. There's none like you. No? Kung sa service lang at sa ano. But not to mention, I know Bro Edu will be of a different kind naman.
Discuss na namin kanina, bro.
Mamaya, pag-usapan natin yan sa names. Diba? Ano? Yeah. Paano ba? I entered SFC 2018. Si Bro Jerry pa yung coordinator nyo. I think 2019, no?
I think bigla assembly tapos
Bigla
nawala si
Bigla na wala.
Due to a sudden disappearance.
GA yun eh.
Sa Porta Cabin sa Canada.
Nawawala si Bro.
Biglang nawala si...
Kaya yung person worship nun eh.
Oo nga. And lo and behold, naging si Brad Joel na. No? Yan nga, matagal ko siya ka-household as coordinator sa family under Brad Nico. Doon pa lang, nakita ko na lang na, nga, yes Lord lang to eh. Ako minsan nga, namimili na ako, kailangan ko pakiusapan kasi alam ko, hindi siya hindi. Anything. No? So, yung problem niya came a bit earlier this year. So, I grabbed the chance na bilhin na yung Taylor niya. Yung Taylor guitar niya kasi kung mawawala to, at least may remembrance ako na sa ano. Hindi dahil Taylor yun ha. Dahil siya may-ari. Well yeah, dahil Taylor din yun. No, dahil siya may-ari. So, you know, at least it's nice to have something from a good friend naman na who never lets you down. No? I'm sure every one of you can have the same.
Never let you down.
You're in good hands naman.
With Metro
Hindi
Bank.
na yung presidente, no? He's got it all.
With Metro Bank.
Marunong na mag-gitara, magaling mag-talk, and then a brother to everyone as well. It's there. It's I don't want to say much na before we end up in tears. Pero yun nga, thank you sa lahat. I'm sure naman pag-uwi namin, magkikita rin tayo.
Kapit bahay.
And yeah, I really have a feeling babalik ka pa sa Oman.
Hindi natin alam.
Yeah, well, let's hope.
Inshallah.
But whatever happens, no, as it is happening now, make the most of make the most of what's there. You might not be working, pero you have all the time with your family that you've been praying for, thirsting for quite some time. No? From there, you can gain inspiration on how you'll be leading your family as well as the Spirit will lead. No? Yeah. Yun lang po. In behalf of Focus for Christ and the family ministries, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, we honor and we thank you for the service.
Kita ka tayo.